Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And happy Hanukkah to everybody. And we are in the holiday rush now, guys. 10 days left, I think. So if you click the link and check out, see if they might get this shipped to you in time. Let's see what it is. Definitely excited. We got something cool in here. Oh, baby. I got a little note. It's definitely been a crazy year, guys. It's almost over. And it's coming from Onforu. Hey, hey. Onforu, baby. Boom. LED floodlight. Pack of 2. Check them out. It's gonna be pretty cool. Gotta love these floodlights. Alright, everything's out. Oh, nice. Oh, these are nice controllers. Oh, look at this. I definitely like these a lot. I think waterproof, IP66, I think. Yep, IP66, energy saving, 50,000, good lordy, hours lifespan. They got the handle down here, just pop it on the ground or wherever you want to mount them. But look at definitely IP66. I'm going to definitely drive my neighbors nuts this year. It's like The Burbs over here. You guys remember that movie? Check it out. Tom Hanks. Pretty funny. I'm sure everyone needs a good laugh now these days. But you guys, ooh, look at this. The cord. Nice thick cord. Is that sensor right there? Oh yeah, we're going to plug them in. I'm going to need to clear 2 spots. Test them both out at the same time. I think we can accomplish that here today. Pull the tab. Bam. This little guy. She's ready to rock. Alright, nice push buttons. But if you don't know what to get somebody, this is a nice housewarming gift to give for the backyards now. Home gyms you could do. Man caves. Especially if you're doing the Twitch streaming, YouTube gaming. Where did that plastic piece go? I don't know if my dog would chew on it. Oh no. Alright, well, I'll find it later. But we got that. Multi-color RGB. We got twist tie, we got them removed right there. Oh man, they twisted it up good. Nice and secure. We're going to test one out to plug the other and run them both at the same time. This might be a little extended video today, but grab some popcorn. Enjoy the show. Here we go. It's going to be bright for a second, guys, so alright, let me clean this up though. There we go. Oh, timber. They all fall down. 30 watts. 1.1 gigawatts. Let's go back to the future. I think this could reach right about here. Oh, come on, plug it in. Let me clear one spot. Oh man. There we go. Got one spot open. Plug her in. Whoa. Oh man. Oh jeez. Now these are really bright. I'm already like seeing the spots. Good lordy. This will definitely light up your area. Especially in a flood. Okay. Oh, my eyes. My eyes. Whoa. I mean, this is daytime still. If you guys want to see these in action at night, I'll have that posted on my Instagram. Holy moly, though. Okay, one more. I can't see. Do not stare at the light. Just walk through it. Alright, light is one. There we go. Oh, man. I did it. Holy smokes. Ooh. I think it's pretty bright, guys. I'm going to shut this light off now. Wow. Wowie, wowie. It's just super bright. Oops, backwards. Change the colors. Ooh. Tweak it. Dang. Oh, you can control both at the same time once they are plugged in. Cool. So all you need is one remote. You can use that as backup. Oh. That's pretty cool. Ooh, my eyes. Oh, yeah, they are. Look at those LEDs. Ooh, baby. Bam. I keep on staring at it. But really bright, guys. Really nice. You do flash. That's like SOS. Fade. Jump. Jump around like crisscross. Make you want to jump. This is cool. Easy to hook up. I can't see though. Blinded by the light. Now these are just normal colors. You could just boom, 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 cabana, boom, boom. Switch it up too. Oh man. One color, then the other color, the other color. Oh, this is nifty. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Let's check them out, guys. Link will be for down below. Be safe. Have a good one. See ya.